Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I have a 12 by 16 inch canvas in front of you, and I have some glasses over there, and I have some leftover paint, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do, except for that's my beautiful leftover paint, and I want to experiment, if I can get some to come out, with tilting. Wow, I got a plug. Oh well, should have checked that first. That's unusual. Come out of there, you. So, I want to tilt. I said I wanted to tilt, so tilt I will. I also want to do some stripes. Tilting stripes. I think I can get away with it. Hey, if it comes out, yes I am. If it comes out zebra stripes, that's okay too. I'll be quick. That may or may not be true. Okay, so do I want gold in there? No, I can live without it for right now. Sometimes I just want to stick a basting brush in there, but right now I think I'm gonna. Wow, that's huge. Come out of here, you. Wow, that's like an octopus. I have been starting things this way lately, and it's been interesting, so I'm not done playing it. And it does inspire me on occasion to want to use chain. And scrape that off and move to another side and see how that goes. I think if I put it in more centrally in the middle, not as close to the edges, it would be even, whoops, a little more interesting. My temptation will be to grab a color. Oh, wow, that's slippery today. Okay, well, so far so good. I'm just putting a background on, and I'm getting a black and white agate from it. And that's okay, because I can do whatever I want with it at that point. I might have to run it down both ways in order to make enough to get coverage. And show you what can happen. And I could probably put gold in there. I really want to fill all that space over there and cover my edge, which means if I pull the paint and then come on down there, you. And then rock the edge catcher. Although it's going back kind of gray, isn't it? Oh well. There's always gold to cure that. So, I don't always hold the edge catcher against the edge of the canvas. Sometimes I just let the paint run. And that was gray from my other side. It is tempting to go ahead and... This is just a way to start, you know? And it could be a long-winded way to start. I could squeeze whatever I want into there, and we'll know what happens when I do that if you start this way. I need more paint. It seems like I need more paint. I might be wrong. We might just keep getting really interesting things. What I really want to do right now is grab an OXO omelet turning spatula, scrape all of that gray paint right off there, and add it to the canvas, and fill my little holes. And then decide what's going on from there. After I know my holes are filled and my edges are covered, you can also use your finger for that. I see an edge that is uncovered, and I found a bottle of paint. Alright, so where do we go from here? I think I would like to not get any more paint on my tile, but I would like all of that design to move down in a diagonal. Like this. So in order to do that, I'm going to have to let it fall. Now, I threatened to use that other paint color and I haven't. It doesn't mean I won't. Whatever falls on the edge catcher is fair game for me to scrape up and put back on the painting too. I haven't seen anything that's so fabulous yet that I would lament its loss. And I can just kick that off. And we can still see that I'm not super thrilled with what I've got yet. But if I rinse the paint off my hands, at least the painting won't go shooting across the studio. Alright, so the other day I did something similar to this. But it was, I wonder if I've got, oh, I have a really flaccid balloon. Okay, well, can I do that with that? Maybe not. Let's try anyway. Let's put a little paint right on the balloon and see what happens. When I add colors. And not only that, whoops, I just interrupted one edge catcher with another. I'm going to wipe it off right on my side. I'm going to dip into these colors right here, right in my dish of colors. And there's a twist to the wrist that goes with these balloon rolls. So the black is basically a background, and I keep picking up new things. I want another color in there, although I'm liking this so much more already. It's not even funny. Thank you, Amy Matter, for inspiring me all the time to do this. What color do I want in there? I really want that red. I am going to do something weird and put some red. Oh, am I? Yes, I am. I'm going to put it right into that cupcake container. Not sure I like that as much as I was hoping I was going to like it. I'm going to sort of wipe off my not as nice balloon as I was hoping it was going to be, and I'm not going to use that anymore because I don't like it. I do have a wet studio rag, and I can wipe off my balloon because it's been becoming flaccid over time, and I'm going to go ahead and experiment with putting gold on the balloon, just around in a circle, and moving that red out of the way. And maybe I'll do the same thing with the red in a minute, because it's better on the balloon than any other way. Although I've been craving the copper, and not just the copper, but everything. I want everything I see. Go figure. I'm not sure about that. I think I'm going to pull that back a little bit. But it's got some neat shapes to it. And I love that turquoise. I'm just going to decorate my shirt, I think. I mean, with my balloon rolls. Oh, come on out. Evidently, we have not freed the turquoise. I am going to free that red, though. And I might want a little more black, although I might want to use the black. I didn't know I could use such a flaccid balloon, to tell you the truth, but I'm going to have to wash it, which is not impossible, and hope that it keeps its air, because I'm not done yet, and I really do want to see what magenta and or red are going to do, and I think I'm going to try the magenta first, because I'm feeling brazen. Alright, so in and twist. Yes, that's perfect. In and twist. Yes, I like it. Let's give it some purple. Right on the mess I've got. In and twist. Perfect! Oh yeah. Alright, it's a little uniform, but it's still pretty neat. That's cool. I wanted to do some, I'd only ever done 2 balloon rolls, so this is actually kind of making me happy. But I think I want to combine a few things like I do with my chain pulls. I think I want gold and, yeah, that's what I wanted. Cool, that worked. Except for when my fingers get slippery after having too much paint on. I'm going to try and wipe that off. I'm going to have a beautiful edge catcher after this. I'm going to have to wipe that off again. I need a whole slew of balloons to do this kind of stuff, all lined up and ready to go. Now I gotta decide, I love that purple in there, so I think that's what's gonna happen next. I'm just gonna go in, yeah. And I'm getting some really neat cells popping. There's a limit to how much paint I can allow to stay on the balloon and have it work. As long as there's some cool colors on there. I don't know how much further I want to go. I do see that up there and I want that to change. I'm going to use some more gold and I want red this time. Oh God, please don't let me regret this. That's cool. I found a naked spot. So what that means to me is that I want to put some solid purple, yes, for a little difference down there. And the difference between putting the paint on the balloon and putting it on the canvas is worth studying, I think. But what else do I want in there? I got 5 minutes left. I can keep playing with this. I want to try... Oh boy, that's brazen. I'm gonna try and get my orange to come out and mix it with some gold, like so. Yes, okay. A little bit of orange goes a long, long way. I'm gonna use the part I see here. Yep, cool. No more gold quite yet. I think some of that, I wonder if I can use that. Kind of doubt it. I gotta know. I am going to grab my Anita's white metallic. Am I? Evidently I'm not. I have two. The question is, yes, it will come out. There, I'm happy with that, and I'm not gonna stop. It's pretty simple. I know you guys probably think it's pretty hard, but I say just keep trying it. And a flick of the wrist. A flick of the wrist and just a push, like so. And it's, for me, it's kind of simple. I like the black and white in the center. I really do. I'm wondering if there's anything else I need to do to this. And I want to be very cautious about what I choose to do right now. I kind of want this to go the other direction. Yeah, just like that. And I think I'm going to wipe that off again. Give it the purple and the gold. Yes. And now, I'm getting excited. I want to combine the purple and the gold and the turquoise, and I don't think I can, but I might have to try it anyway. There we go. I'm almost done. So I should tell you guys, if you shop my Amazon link, you help me out, and I really appreciate it. Revenue is down at YouTube, but you guys are keeping my morale up with your wonderful comments, and I appreciate that too. I am going to think about that right there, and whether I want to use some Prussian blue. As long as I get a handhold on this balloon, I can hold it, but as soon as there's too much paint on it, it becomes dangerous. I don't want that purple to go anywhere. It's sort of an all-over pattern, but since I like to make leggings and all-over designs, which reminds me, my Teespring clothing below the video, click on any of that and it will lead you to more clothing that I've designed. And all-over t-shirts and leggings. And if you need a link, just ask me. because I will be happy to give you. I kind of think I need just a little bit more orange, and I don't think I should put it with that turquoise. No, I should not. But I can do this. Yes, I can do that, and I can do that, and I can just wipe that right off. And I'm pretty happy with that. Now, where was I looking that I wasn't happy with? That's the question. I do have quite a bit of paint left over. Right there. Alright, I'm not going to do anything else. Am I not going to do anything else? I don't know. It's hard to trust me. It really is. Even when you're me. Nope, it's still not happening. It works better when it's on the balloon. See? Perfect. Now, oh yes, I think that was the final stroke. Except for that. I can't trust me. Oh, I was talking about something over here and changing it, but I don't think I need to anymore. I think I'm very well pleased. That's going in the bucket. If I throw the balloon away, we'll be all set. So I got no seconds anyway. So shop my Amazon link. I told you, you can find the OXO omelet turning spatula, the orange one, and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, and mica powders, and my book called Because I Can. And if you look under the video, you'll find the paint pouring recipe, and you'll find Pinterest and Instagram and Twitter links. If you're looking for a monthly drawing, if you contribute $10 or more to help keep the studio rolling, and thank you to everybody who has in the past, you will be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. I might have the occasional spot I have to touch up, but otherwise, that's pretty marvelous. I mean, obviously I don't have Heather's touch yet, but I like my result, and I'm pretty sure that if you twist your wrist, put the paint on the balloon or two colors and put it down and then twist the wrist and pull away, look at all those cells. And I use GAC 800 by Golden in all my paint mixtures. You can see that paint pouring recipe because I don't want it to crack when I leave it heavy, and there's all kinds of cells, and there's no silicone in my artwork. I love you guys. There's over 80,000 of you. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm very pleased. I keep wondering what it would be like to add a few things that I probably shouldn't do. But I could always put the balloon back in there. Yeah, and I'm not supposed to... I torch to release the bubbles in the paint, and then I'm not supposed to stick anything back in there. Anyway, so whatever I didn't tell you guys, you'll find out in another video. You know I love you. Thank you for the comments and keeping my morale up during these hard times. And I would like to keep coming back for you guys every day. And contributions help me amazingly to keep making videos and buying paint and producing. So if you've been having trouble with balloon rolls and you're not getting everything you need from everybody else who's doing them, check mine out. There's a couple more. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Wait. Yeah, I like it with the black and white background. I'm not sure it's my best composition, but anyway. I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.